Welcome. In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Stratos 2 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. So the restart could be useful if, for example, something is not working properly on your watch, or maybe it's a bit sluggish, unresponsive. You could try to restart it, and hopefully that will solve your problems. And to restart the watch, you need to wake up the screen by pressing the select button, then press and hold the button until you see the power menu on the screen. And once you see the power menu, you need to grab this icon, the restart icon, the one in the middle, and then slide it to the right side of the watch. And once you release it, the watch will reboot. Or at least it should. For now it's just frozen. Let's see if it's gonna reboot. Oh yeah, I think it's rebooting now. And here we have it. And that's how you soft reset this watch, or restart. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.